Good evening. Let's begin with today's analysis. Now, if you can see, daily chart on Nifty has an indecision followed by, now yesterday we had the Harami pattern and today we had the indecision. Also the Bollinger Band have squeezed, so we are looking at a range bound move here. Now, if you check the 4-hourly chart, we can see that we are getting some rejections here. Right, so we have this nice rejection at this support. So price is actually taking good support at this Fibonacci level. As we checked yesterday, I think this was 38 point. Yeah, this is still hovering around 38.2. Now 11,484 is the profit, is the target, but looks like we could be looking at a pullback or a sideways movement here before we reach this level. Right, so not much to gauge from today's price action, today's movement. If we check Heiken Ashi, the scenario is a little different. So after this downtrend, we have this indecision candle. This indicates that there could be a upward move. Now if that happens, we would be looking at a more of a sideways move, because you can see how the bands have contracted. So price could go sideways, slowly reaching the top. That's another view that might happen. Now if that happens, since we are looking at a pullback of only 38.2 and then the market reversing from here, then you can expect a good move after this breakout. So we can expect the market to make a stronger upside move if it actually reverses from the current level of 38.2. Alright, so let's see how the market plays tomorrow and how this week closes. Based on that, we'll have a good idea about the upcoming trend. Alright, so what I want to see is, do we reverse from 38.2 or do we see that do we see a pullback till 61.8 and then the market reversing? That is going to decide the future move from this market. Now let's see Bank Nifty, and as you notice, similar scenario what we've been checking for last couple of days, and here again we have the indecision Heiken Ashi candle. Sensex, exactly the same move. BEL has been sideways. The flag pattern still holds strong, so we're looking at, so as soon as Nifty starts the upward move, I think this would start climbing. So as you can notice, all these days we are still in the same range of 105 and 112, and today also market is playing between the same range. Although the bands are narrowing, so we are looking at a minor consolidation. But if you look at the long-term view, we can clearly say the bottom has been made, and this was the initial breakout, and the first pullback is what we are seeing. So you might see another pullback at 103, but otherwise the trend still holds strong. So we should be looking at holding our stocks in BEL. Axisbank has reached the lower band, and Heiken Ashi candles are still going strong, so we haven't yet found a reversal signal in the market. So that means that if you are looking to buy, you need to still hold on, because you might get a better entry price. Alright, having said that, if you look at the lower time frames, there have started some rejection and indecisions already. So there could be a possibility that this could find its bottom here and move, but we wouldn't be too sure unless we have a breakout of 788, 789, which is the recent swing high. In terms of Fibonacci support resistance, you can see that we are at 50%, so this is a good reversal zone, or there could be a spike to 61.8. In which case, we would be bullish back with the uptrend on this after we see a body dominating candle on the hourly chart closing above 789 or 790. Right, that's it for now. See you guys tomorrow. Any stocks that you want me to check apart from these, please feel free to mention that in the comments. Thank you.